Finding a PMHNP preceptor for your psychiatric mental health rotation can feel impossible. You're not alone. Many students struggle to get placements, especially in high-demand psychiatric settings. But it doesn't have to be that way. Start with your school. Most NP programs have lists of preceptors affiliated with your psychiatric and mental health rotations. Check your program's handbook for required hours, patient population, and documentation. Connect with your clinical coordinator early. They can point you toward preceptors who have previously accepted PMHNP students. When contacting potential PMHNP preceptors, think friendly, clear, and confident. Start with a quick intro. Who you are, your program, and what excites you most about psychiatric mental health. Share exactly what you're looking for in a rotation. Hours, patient times, and specialties. Let them know when you're available and flexible if possible. End with a polite question about whether they're open to mentoring a student. Focus on connection over formality. Showing enthusiasm and professionalism together goes a long way. Start early. 3 to 6 months ahead is ideal. Psychiatric preceptors can fill up quickly, so planning ahead gives you the best chance to secure your preferred schedule and patient populations. Be flexible with dates and locations if possible, and always follow up professionally if you don't get a reply immediately. If reaching out to preceptors feels overwhelming or time-consuming, NPHub can help. We match PMHNP students with verified psychiatric preceptors, handle all the paperwork, and support you through the rotation process. In that way, you can focus on learning and growing as a provider without the stress of endless emails. Your psychiatric and mental health clinical rotation is more than a requirement. It's the foundation of your career as a PMHNP. Start early, plan strategically, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Head to NPHub.com to find your PMHNP preceptor and make your psychiatric NP rotation smooth, efficient, and successful. Your future patients are counting on you.